Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I have temporarily mounted my Arenti camera, and this thing is absolutely a fantastic outdoor IP65 waterproof HD camera that you're gonna love. Now, some of the cool features about this has starlight, you have great vision at night, not that green and black stuff, real vision at night with this, and it's got two-way audio. It's got a warming light that you can turn on, and this thing does fantastic motion detection, human detection that a lot of cameras don't have. On top of that, it does tie into your Echo device, it does tie into your Google Assistant, and of course your phone with the app. What else can I tell you about it? It's dual channel, so whether you have that 5G or the 2.4G, this thing's gonna be fantastic. And that full HD, great resolution on this camera is second to none. And also, look, it's a petite little camera. This thing is not going to be taking up a bunch of space on your wall. Now, it is a wired camera, which admittedly, anytime you can wire it, I feel that's an advantage. When you have the battery-powered cameras, they turn off when not in use. So a lot of times, until they detect something, you have no footage. No footage. This guy is great. You can put in the SD card, and they make such powerful SD cards now. They make gigs and gigs and gigs, and you can store hundreds of hours of footage right on the device itself. Tie it to your phone, check it from anywhere. This is an incredible device that is only made by Arenti. Like I said, I live here in Florida. We get a lot of rain. We get tropical storms all the time. The IP65 waterproof, I don't have to worry about being in the sun. I don't have to worry about water. I just did a solar PTZ camera. That's great unless you get a bunch of stormy days in a row. You don't get the automatic recharge. This one, always wired, always good to go. You don't have to worry about it recharging. So anyway, folks, if you're looking for a great camera, you're looking for a Arenti. Now, as I've told you before, I had some issues with a contractor, came out to my house, messed up my spa, kept the deposit he was getting paid, and then threatened me. I told him I got cameras. Told him as soon as he shows up at my house, the motion detection is going to notice and know he's there. Police will be called. And you know what? He backed off real quick. Cameras make a world of difference, because you put somebody walking through your yard on camera, you hand that to the courts, you hand it to the police, you take that SD card out and you hand it to them, guess what? There's no case. They know exactly who's in trouble, they know exactly who did what. You don't have cameras, you can't prove anything. Someone breaks into your house, breaks into your yard, you're just guessing at who did it. And people know that. People know that a house is more secure with a camera, and they don't try to test you. They walk up, they see this on the side of your house, the side of your business, behind your cash register, wherever it may be. They're not gonna mess with you. Cameras offer a certain level of security, and this one is great resolution. If you got someone on camera and it's grainy, poor resolution, night vision's not working that well, why even have the camera? You got someone on camera, but it records over because it doesn't have the SD card, because it doesn't record in the cloud, because it doesn't do this and that, why even have the camera? Pick up Arenti. Everything you need is right here, all in the box. In fact, we're gonna be showing you it up close and personal here in a moment, so go ahead and stick around. Again, my name is Adam, Elite Demonstrations. We show you products that we truly love, and guess what? This is among the best of the best. So go ahead and pick up your camera. Again, two-way audio. You can turn on the light. You can see at night, motion detection, human detection. It's great. Tied into your Echo device, tied into your Google Assistant. The IP65 is absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, my name's Adam, Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that I think really, really work, and this one is among the best of the best. So go pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Stick around for the up-close portion of the video where we get to show you all the details. Yeah. All right, folks, now let's go ahead and take a look at the Outdoor One by Arenti. This is Simplify Your Life. Ultra HD, 4 megapixel, 2K, starlight, and full color outdoor Wi-Fi camera. All right, so what makes this fantastic? First off, it does work with your Echo device and your Google Assistant. 2021 Design Award and the Red Dot Design Award. Now, looking up close, it looks like it does say 2K. Two-way audio. Oh, I love two-way audio. The IP65, is that 65 waterproof? Starlight full color. So full color at night is a big deal. Motion detection, you can detect people. That's going to be awesome as well. You can detect a customized area. That's good for me. I like to know when somebody's coming up to my doorstep to give me a package, but I don't need to know every time somebody walks by on the sidewalk. And it has dual band Wi-Fi. That's good because a lot of Wi-Fi nowadays is only the faster stuff, and the 2.4 gigahertz you may not need Wi-Fi on. All right, so very cool camera. Let's go ahead and take a look up close. So that's what you love to see. Now the camera itself has an extra long cable. That's going to be nice for mounting that you're not short on cable. Sometimes they don't give you enough space, and you can tell they give you a very long cable there. This is great for outdoor use. It does tie into the app, the Arenti app, which is very easy to use. You can see there's the spot for your SD card, standard definition card. It does come with the mounting wires that you need, as well as the security sticker. And of course, Arenti always does a great job of providing a quick start guide that is easy to read. All right. The light here. Here's your lens. And yeah, Arenti just doing good stuff as usual. Now the quick start guide, I gotta hand it to them. They have gone ahead and put everything in easy to read English. You can see it shows where the speaker is, the LED, the microphone, the IR light, and the warm light. So you have kind of just almost not quite a spotlight, but an actual light you can turn on, and that's going to be nice as well. Easy to mount. There's the app. Resolution is 4 megapixel. Brightness, significant, very bright camera, bright lens. Shutter speed of 1/10,000, 1 to 20 to 1/10,000. Infrared, high LED, 10 meter distance. Compression H265, bitrate 32K to 2 megabits per second, and 2560 by 1440. So you're getting full HD on here. That's dope. All right, folks. So again, if you're looking for a great camera, the instructions do come in all different languages as well. Arenti is the product for you. Now you can see the housing here isn't cheap plastic by any means. That's nice. You get the quality you come to expect from Arenti. You can see there's the speaker, your SD card inside. And yeah, if you're looking for a great product, this is it. There's the reset button if you ever have to reset it on a new network or anything. Reset it up, just press that button. Yeah, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You absolutely will not be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we really love, and guess what? Arenti is among the best of the best. They're one of those camera brands that will smartify your life. They are high quality. You can see even the rubberized backing on here. A lot of times this backing is lower quality. Even the back is sturdy here to where you don't have to worry about this cracking when you put your screws in it. You're gonna love it. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and yeah, pick it up. Adios, amigos.